First thing, don't wait for perfect opportunity. Like there are many people who can wait till the vacations start or till their exams end, or they are going in the first year of college. That's why they are waiting to start. Second thing is plan well. So before you starting anything, just plan well. Give 15 to 20 minutes that to process the all scenarios that you are facing in future, like which language you are gonna study, where from which resources from you are studying, which course, which YouTube videos you gonna watch it. So all these preparations are planned before you starting the journey. Like you have to know that where do you start, when do you start, and how do you start. The third thing is, do not confuse between choosing the plan. Like there are many roadmaps you encounter in your journey, like roadmap for web development, app development. There are cloud computing, cyber security, data analytics. There are many other job roles or positions are available in market. You are confused that which path you wanna take. Don't confuse between these things. Just think about it. When you start your first thing, you will automatically recognize that how this is going on and how time it takes to learn a whole things. There are people who are finished web development in 1 month, 1 year, or 10 years. Because any of them is not a short field, it's a vast field. There are many frameworks, technologies, there are many areas to study along all these job roles. Or don't think that you are trying to explore all the scenarios like web development, app development, and anything and then choose one. Don't do that. Start from one and then move another according to your interest. Now fourth thing is very important and very unique. There are many people in your journey tells you that start picking by one language like C, C++, Java, Python. Pick any one of them and start your coding journey. It's a completely wrong statement, and I give you the answer why. Because before starting a language, a normal people guy like you and me are the normal people. We are not from the we are not a Zuckerberg. Like we already know, we don't know how to use optimum use of computer. So first start learning how to use computer. Like I'm not telling about how to use mouse and how to use a computer. It's already you know. But there are many things like how internet works, how browser works, what is internet. Like there are basics, very basic things that we don't know before starting coding. There are many people, I assure you that there are hundreds of people who are doing all the crazy stuff in their like web development, app development, but they don't know how internet works, how cloud works, what is cloud. What is cloud? What is internet? How they connect with each other? What is technology? Why we need language? Why we need computer language to talk with computer? Why don't we just talk to them directly in English? So these are basic questions which is answered before you start your coding journey, because these questions make you confident when you attempt to solving the coding problem. And our fifth point is, basics are important, so don't ignore them. There are many people who are telling you that in particular course of any language or anything, you don't understand few things in early. So they tell you that just move forward, complete this course, and then after completing course you understand the previous things. So this is a false statement, not 100% false. There are many topics which are definitely be understand after completing a course, but there are many basics that you know on that point of the course. Like in initial stage, if you are not knowing what is variable, what is string, what is integer, what is data type. So these are very basic things in the language. So if you do not understand this in the early of the initial learning language, so you don't have to move forward topics. You don't have to need to move on forward topics, and then you will learn automatically variables and all that. So make your basics very strong in every topic. Our sixth point is, give sufficient amount of time to every task. There are many people who are, I don't know why, they are very hurried to complete or finishing the topics. I don't know why. Because we are all greedy person. We all want that we know everything and we achieve everything, we done everything and then get a job in every sector. So this is not gonna possible. You have to give sufficient amount of time while learning any technology. Like if you are learning your first language, then give enough amount of time. There are many people who are tell you that language is very simple thing. You can learn language in 1 month or 2 months. No one gonna teach you the first language in 2 or 3 months. You have to understand that if you want to master your first language, then you minimally give yours 3 to 4 months. Yes, 3 to 4 months. If you finish your course in 1 month or 2 months, then again rewatch this course and clear your all topics, because no one can complete any language, any first language 2 or 3 months. Okay, you have to practice along with it. Practice more and more questions in that language, and it makes you the professional. Our 7th topic is don't compete initially. Like in initial stage, we all looking for the people who are start coding. So if my friends start coding and I start coding in the same day, we compete each other. Like he is on the 7th video or 8th video, I am on that 2nd or 3rd video. But if I am on 2nd or 3rd video, I am gonna repeatedly watch this video 2 and 3 times, then it makes me a stronger than him. It doesn't matter that which course you finished or which technology you finished. It's not about finished, it's about get understand. If you gonna watch 2 videos per day, or if you watch any few minutes or any of the course segment in one day, and you understand it, you practice it, and you understand it in a better manner than the person who is just finishing it, then you are in profit and he is in loss. And in the initial stage, we compete with each other and just saying that you are on the higher side and I am on the lower side, and just demotivating ourselves by seeing this brutal comparison. So this is not a perfect comparison. Comparison is always done in the end, because the result of the battle is given in the end, not in starting. In starting, there are many phases. If the person is not starting with you in starting in the future, but he is more ambitious than you, then he will learn more than you, and he will compete more than you, and he will win more than you. So it's not a point that initially competition, like I am doing best and you are doing worst. So in initial stage, do not compete, just focus on learning things. Our 8th point is practice after completing your course. If you are learning any course like C, C++, Java, Python, web development, app development, any course, if you are learning from this course, please practice it. Like if you are like very simple example, if today I'm learning what is variable, what is data type, then I must have to make at least 10 or 20 examples of variables and data types, store value in it, declare it, initialize it, what is different between initialization and declaration, all the things I should know around that topic. So this is the way of learning, this is the path of learning, that you are completely know the particular topic and then move forward. So please practice every topic around the course. Our 9th topic is very important. 9th topic is make your project. If I learning any language, if I learning web development, app development, there are many projects are available. You have to just search on Google or just search on YouTube which are the best practice projects for C, C++, Java, Python. There are many projects like calculator or guess the number game, or there are many games where are which helps you to improve your logic around the loops and if else statements. Like there are many games, and in web development there are multiple infinite projects. You can make whatever you want. There are few projects I uploaded in my channel also, so please check it out, that project also. So project making is the best thing. Like if you complete any course, you learn things. If you make a project around that, it's the best thing ever possible. If your friend is not gonna making, you have to initialize the step that you are going to make a project and you will make it. So our 10th point is, when you finish a course, when you complete a project, or when you finish any particular task, then feel confident about it. Don't be hesitate that I'm not updated around it, or if I start another course and then the previous topic had improved anything or update anything, that I'm not up to date around that. So don't feel that, because there are technologies. These are all technologies. These are updating daily. So like we don't have to update any. So 10th point is, after finishing a course, after finishing any of the tasks, projects or anything, just feel confident that you learn it. Feel confidence, because that confidence gives you the boost of another learning. Like if you completed any course or if you completed any project, just post on LinkedIn or share with your friends that you completed it from the day one and from now. And after finishing this, don't be a guy who sit around and just watch our rewards, because watching reward doesn't make you winner, but thinking about next competition is make you winner. These are the 10 things which I personally feel that you have to know before start your coding, because I encountered these things, I learned these things from my journey, coding journey. So guys, please like this video, subscribe my channel. There are multiple videos are coming next to, and just subscribe it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.